Hello friend, today we learn embedded C programming concept which include the concept of interrupt, what is interrupt, then the concept of interrupt service routine, hardware and software interrupts, and sources, that is hardware and software sources of interrupt. Let's start with what is interrupt. An interrupt means event which invites attention of processor or occurrence of some action that hardware or software interrupt instruction. Suppose you are playing a game on your smartphone and suddenly you have received some messages on your WhatsApp group. It will show the notification on your mobile screen. This is nothing but a interrupt. These type of interrupts are attention or invite attention of processor to the occurrence of different event. In response to interrupt, the routine or program which is running presently interrupts and the interrupt service routine execute. Means what? The running program is playing game and interrupt service routine is the message from the WhatsApp. In that way, the interrupt works. What is interrupt service routine? Interrupt service routine is also called device driver in a case of a device and called exception or a signal or trap handler in case of a software interrupt. An interrupt service routine accesses a device for service like configuring, initializing, activating, opening, attach, read, write, reset, and deactivate or close. These type of services are accessed by the interrupt service routine. Interrupt service routine thus implement the device functions of a device driver. Here you can say the interrupt service routine how it is work with a device driver. Suppose a yellow color device is there and it is included two device drivers, device 1 and device 2. The device driver command is initiated by C1 and the ISR signal is represented as ISR1. The command is C1. When the ISR1 signal is given to the device driver, then it will run the code. It will run the command which is the C1 command. Likewise, the command second is operated by using the ISR second, that is the run code of a device function second is run. In that way, interrupt service routine will work with the device drivers. Interrupt service routine example. The application program command to write on a display screen of a mobile the contact name from a contact database. It send SWI, that is software instruction, to call LCD display device driver. The driver run short code and execute another SWI to call the ISR related to write function at the LCD. In that way, it will work. Hardware and software interrupts. Hardware interrupts when a device or a port is ready or it complete the assigned action or the time overflows. At that time, the hardware interrupt is occur. It is occurred sometime. It is occurred by clicking on a click on computer mouse. Hardware interrupt generate call to an ISR. Software interrupt. When software runtime exception condition, the processor hardware generates an interrupt. Means what? For example, the division by 0 or overflow or illegal opcode is detected at that time. the interrupt is generated. It is called trap, which calls the ISR. Trap is called ISR. When software runtime exception condition defined in a program occurs, then software instruction SWI is executed, called software interrupt or exception or signal, which calls ISR. When device function is invoked, for example, open, read, or write or close, then software instruction is executed, called software interrupt, to execute the required device driver function for open or read or write or close operations. Software can execute the software instruction SWI or interrupt INTN to signal execution of ISR, that is interrupt service routine. The N is as per the handler address. In this diagram, we can say that a software interrupt. The running program and interrupt service routine is there, and on interrupt return, no continuous check for the device status, and interrupt driven actions are there. Here, signal interrupt, the signal differ from function in the sense that execution of signal handler can be masked and till mask it reset. The handler will not execute on interrupt function. On the other hand, always execute on the call after the call instruction. Hardware device sources and interrupts. Hardware sources can be internal or external for interrupt of ongoing routine. The internal sources for device differ in a different processor or microcontroller or devices and their versions and their families. External sources and ports are also differ in different processors or different microcontrollers. Internal hardware device sources. Parallel ports, UART serial receiver, synchronous receiver bit, UART serial transmitter, synchronous transmission of bit, ADC start of conversion. These are some internal hardware device sources of interrupt. Which again include ADC for end of conversion, pulse accumulator to show the overflow, real-time clock for timeouts, watchdog timer for reset function, timer overflow to show the on time out, timer comparison which will compare with output registers, timer capture on input. Now external hardware device sources. Some maskable devices which are INTR in 8086, maskable pins which are INT0, INT1 in 8051, or IRQ in 68HC11. Some non-maskable pins which are NMI in 8086, some maskable XIRQ in 68HC11. Some software source of interrupts. Software interrupt is an interrupt generated, for example, by a software instruction, that is INTN in 8086 processor, or SWIM in ARM7, where N is interrupt type and M is 24-bit related to ISR address, pointer, and ISR input parameter pointer. Let's summarize what we learned today. We learn what is the interrupt, what is interrupt service routine, hardware and software interrupts, and different hardware and software sources of interrupts. Thank you very much.